Pitsco Education is a company that is committed to hands-on education, and we believe that by getting the hands-on, that their minds will be on. And through that, we've been empowering students for nearly 50 years to be change agents in their communities and to really just utilize STEM concepts to change the world. Pitsco is committed to hands-on education, but even in providing hands-on experiences for students, we recognize that many of our customers need a really powerful online management system to manage that education experience. And so we're committed to some very different approaches. We believe in collaboration, we believe in student-led learning, and so we partnered with Enable to be able to create this online platform that checks all those boxes. It engages every student. It allows them to do what they need to do in a collaborative environment that tracks both the individual and the group effort. Enable has gone above and beyond, in my opinion. They take the time to really sit down and understand the idiosyncrasies of our needs. They really, they put in the time. Sometimes that's repeat calls. Sometimes that's hours of face-to-face meetings. They understand our heartbeat. They've gotten to know us as a company, what it is that makes us tick, why we are in business, why we do what we do, the things that we really want to achieve for the student. And by getting that deep understanding of who we are and what we're trying to achieve, they've really been able to become a true partner. One word that I would use to describe Enable is genuine. There's just a genuineness to every interaction you have with them. There's 1,000 miles that separate our headquarters, but it almost feels like they're right down the hall. We have interactions that go beyond just the business details. We joke around and we talk sports, and we have all these different types of relationships that are not just about the business. They're just very, very genuine. Whether it's the interactions with the developers, talking about a new business venture with Ben or with Octavian, whether it's interacting with Sharon and talking about trends in education, even simple things like getting an invoice from Melissa. It comes with a question about how my daughter's doing. There's just a genuineness to the people of Enable. They're the kind of people you really want to surround yourself with. The other word I would use to describe Enable is quality. There's just a commitment to excellence. That's probably the word I would use, but excellence. They go above and beyond, whether it's Barney literally dreaming about improvements to our UI overnight and coming back with a brand new idea for how we can make the platform better. Or it's, finding innovative ways to solve our really unique scheduling challenges in our LMS. They've really gone above and beyond, and they deliver an excellent product. They take ownership in our product because they recognize their name's on it, and together we succeed more. So one of the big things that we've noticed, we launched our newest iteration of our online platform about a year ago, and the general response has been extremely positive. Our internal folks, whether that's our educational services team that's out supporting the customer on site, our customer relations team supporting the customer remotely, or going out and doing the installs, whatever it might be, everybody has been able to say, this is so much better than where we used to be. But it's not just our internal people that are saying that, we're seeing that from our customers as well. Because we can actually see the customers aren't calling with support questions near as often. Our NPS scores are on the rise. We've seen some very positive reactions, and I think it's very, very clear that a lot of that is credit to Enable and the work that they've done to understand our needs and to meet them with excellence. Pitsco is all about leading education that positively affects learners, and I am very, very confident that as we continue to work with Enable, together that synergy is going to allow us to really drive that forward. We're going to be able to dream up what's next. We're going to be able to play off of each other and really lead education even further to the future.